In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transform PLR content into powerful lead magnets using AI tools. This strategy is a game changer for growing your email list and engaging your audience. Hey guys, Henry here from EasyTube Profits. We're dedicated to helping you make money on YouTube, even before you're monetized. We share tips and tricks, do review videos, and explore different strategies to boost your earnings. If that sounds interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what PLR content is. PLR stands for Private Label Rights, and it's pre-created material that you can purchase and modify as your own. This includes ebooks, articles, reports, and videos. The main benefit of PLR content is that it saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on customizing and enhancing it to fit your brand. Using PLR content is particularly beneficial for creating lead magnets. A lead magnet is a valuable piece of content offered for free in exchange for contact information, typically an email address. This helps build your email list, which is crucial for marketing and engaging with your audience outside of YouTube. Not all PLR content is created equal, so it's important to choose high-quality material that aligns with your niche and audience. Here are some tips for selecting the right PLR content. Ensure the content is relevant to your channel's niche and audience interests. It should address their pain points or provide valuable information they are seeking. Look for PLR content that is well-written and informative. Avoid poorly written material that requires extensive editing. Purchase PLR content from reputable sources. Some popular PLR providers include IDPLR and PLR Database, affiliate link in the description. Once you've selected the appropriate PLR content, the next step is to edit and enhance it using AI tools. AI tools have revolutionized content creation and editing, making it easier than ever to customize PLR content. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use AI to edit your PLR content. Start by importing your PLR content into an AI tool. For this example, we'll use ChatGPT, a powerful AI language model by OpenAI. Copy and paste the text into the tool. Use the AI tool to rewrite and enhance the content. You can instruct the AI to rephrase paragraphs, expand on certain points, or add new information. For example, you might ask the AI to rewrite a paragraph to make it more engaging and add 2 new tips. Make the content truly yours by incorporating your own insights and experiences. Use the AI to brainstorm ideas or expand on your thoughts. For instance, you could ask for unique tips for optimizing YouTube videos for SEO. Ensure the content is well organized and easy to read. Use headings, subheadings, bullet points, and numbered lists to break up the text. You can instruct the AI to reformat the content for better readability. By leveraging AI tools, you can quickly and efficiently transform generic PLR content into a unique and valuable resource tailored to your audience. Now, let's talk about creating a landing page. To guide people to pick up your PLR ebook, you'll need a landing page. This page will serve as the entry point for your audience to download the ebook in exchange for their email addresses. Use Aweber, affiliate link in the description, to create a professional-looking landing page. Aweber offers templates and easy-to-use drag-and-drop builders to simplify the process. Ensure your landing page is visually appealing and aligns with your brand. Include a clear headline that highlights the benefit of your ebook, a brief description, and an eye-catching image. Add an opt-in form where visitors can enter their email addresses to receive the ebook. Make sure the form is prominent and easy to fill out. Use Aweber to create and manage your opt-in forms and email lists efficiently. Include testimonials or reviews to build credibility and encourage visitors to download your ebook. Social proof can significantly increase your conversion rates. Use Aweber's automation features to send the ebook to new subscribers automatically. Create a welcome email that includes the download link and a brief introduction to your YouTube channel and other content. Now that you have your ebook ready, it's time to promote it to your YouTube audience. Here are some strategies to effectively promote your ebook. Mention your ebook in your YouTube videos. Explain what it is, how it can help your audience, and how they can get it. You can include this in the introduction, mid-video, or end screen. Add a link to your landing page in the description of your YouTube videos. Write a compelling description that entices viewers to click the link and download the ebook. Use YouTube's end screens and annotations to promote your ebook. Add a call to action at the end of your videos, encouraging viewers to click and download the ebook. Share your ebook on your social media channels. Create posts that highlight the benefits of your ebook and include a link to the landing page. Creating an ebook using PLR content and AI tools is a highly effective strategy to grow your email list and engage your audience. By following these steps, you can transform generic PLR content into a unique and valuable resource that attracts and retains your audience's attention. Remember, the key to a successful ebook is providing genuine value to your audience. Use AI tools to enhance and customize the content, making it relevant and useful to your viewers. And don't forget to promote your ebook across your YouTube channel and social media to maximize its reach and impact. To help you get started with email marketing, consider using Aweber. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Aweber is an excellent tool for managing your email list and creating automated email campaigns. For transparency, by using my affiliate link, you'll get access to one of the most powerful autoresponders online, and I'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It's a win-win. You might be wondering, why do I need an email list? Well, the answer is simple. And there are several reasons why you'll want to nurture your list. Building an email list allows you to notify your subscribers when you're about to upload a new video. This helps increase your video views and engagement, as subscribers are more likely to watch your content. You can also use your email list to promote affiliate offers. By sharing relevant products or services, you can generate additional income. Also, an email list is a great way to educate your subscribers. You can send valuable content, tips, and updates that keep them engaged and informed. Overall, an email list helps you maintain a direct connection with your audience, driving both engagement and revenue. Additionally, for high-quality PLR content, check out PLR Database. I'll leave a link in the description. They offer a wide range of PLR products that can save you time and effort in creating your ebook. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share? And also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Just so you know, on the top left-hand side of the screen, you will see a video that I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.